Welcome back. In this lesson, we will learn about route tables. To get started, click on Route Tables. We currently have one route table provided by default. This route table has two routes currently. The first route is with destination 0.0.0/0 and target IGW or Internet Gateway. The second route has an IP address and target as local. Here is a trivia for you. If this route table was attached to a subnet, will that subnet be private or public? Let's talk about the second route, however. What does it do? Well, this route basically is to enable communication between resources within the same VPC. For example, EC2 instances in different subnets can talk to each other using private IPs thanks to this route. The destination is typically your VPC CIDR block, for example, in my case, 172.31.0.0/16, and the target is local. If I click on my VPC, observe the IPv4 CIDR is the same as the one on the target. Note that you can't delete or modify the local route. It's managed by AWS. It ensures that internal traffic stays within the VPC and doesn't need to pass through gateways. To create a new route table, click on Create Route Table. Give your route table a name, for example, Test Route Table. Select a VPC to place the route table. Click Create Route Table. Observe that it already has a route added after creation. We have discussed the reason for this local route already, so we won't go through that again. We can, however, edit it to add more routes. Click on Edit Routes. Click Add Route. Say we intend to make a public subnet using this route table. Then we need to add the destination as 0.0.0/0 by selecting it, and the target is Internet Gateway. There is a default Internet Gateway created in the account, so we will select that one. Finally, click Save Changes. Our new route is now listed. Let us see how to associate a subnet to this route table by selecting one of the default subnets in the account. Click on Subnet Associations tab. Click Edit Subnet Associations. Check any of the available subnets displayed. Click Save Associations. Now click on Subnet Associations to view the newly associated subnet. To delete a route table, first remove any existing subnet associations. Now click on Actions and select Delete. Type Delete to confirm and click the Delete button. And that brings us to the end of our lesson on route tables. In the next lesson, we will look at security groups.